Hello friends, my name is Nakul. I hope you all are doing great. Today we will talk about iPhone 12 mini, why it is gaining backlash in the recent times and why some people are terming it as a failure. Is this phone really bad? Let's figure it out. Firstly, let me clear that it is by no means a bad phone. The iPhone 12 mini is a brilliant phone. However, it is not made for everybody. The iPhone 12 mini is made for a specific audience, and that's why it hasn't got the sales figures which Apple would have wanted. However, if you would ask anybody who has used this phone, including me, they will tell you how lovely this phone is and how brilliant the overall experience is. Apple anticipated very high sales figure with the iPhone 12 mini, but probably the reason for its low sales figure can be that there are two kinds of people. One who just wants a bigger screen with their phone, and these people would prefer the iPhone 12, 12 Pro or even 12 Pro Max. On the other hand, there are those people who want a compact phone but they don't care for all the high-end specs, and these people would most probably prefer the iPhone SE as its price point is much lower than the 12 mini. But if you are a person who wants all the latest and greatest specifications and a flagship quality smartphone which is compact, easy to carry, easy to use, especially with one hand without any discomfort, then the iPhone 12 mini could be the best option for you. Even if we look at the sales figure of the iPhone 12 mini, it accounted for 6 to 10% of total sales of iPhone 12 series lineup. And this might seem a very less percentage. However, that's not the case because Apple sells millions of smartphones every year, and even with the iPhone 12 series, Apple has sold more than 200 million iPhones. And the 6% of that figure is a pretty huge number, and it no means it is a failure. As with most people, I also believe the iPhone 12 mini's screen is way too small and it would feel awkward to use as we are so accustomed to use phones with a bigger screens. However, if you use the iPhone 12 mini for quite some time, you would realize how brilliantly it fits in your hand, how easy it is to use, and the screen is so brilliant. With the 5.4 inch screen, it shouldn't be called a mini phone. I remember before purchasing the iPhone 11, I used to use the iPhone 6s, and it has a even smaller screen of 4.7 inches, but then too I had no issues with the screen. And the best thing with the mini is that even though it has a larger screen of 5.4 inches, the overall footprint of the phone is smaller than the 6s, and it fits in your hand so perfectly. Remember the time when Apple used to sell a bigger version of 6s with a screen size of 5.5 inches and used to call it a plus phone. At those times, we used to feel that a phone with 5.5 inch screen is a huge phone. But now Apple is selling a phone with a screen size of 5.4 inches and call it a mini phone. As the times have changed, the phone screens have always gone bigger. With other companies also, the screen size have increased drastically, and there is rarely an option for compact phones in the market. Previously, a device with a screen size of 7 inches was considered a tablet, but now a device with a screen size of 6.8, 6.9 inches is considered a phone. Therefore, the screen size of 5.4 inches isn't technically a mini screen, and you shouldn't have any problem with the iPhone 12 mini's screen. A very good decision that Apple took this year was to include the LED screens with all the iPhones across the lineup, and with a LED screen in iPhone 12 mini, the screen looks much more sharper and clearer. The contents appear very good and very bright, and you will definitely gonna notice a difference when you compare the iPhone 12 mini's LED screen side by side with a device having an LCD screen, say iPhone 11. It is also a super bright screen so that you won't have any problem when you use your phone outdoors. Apart from the screen, the overall design and the build quality of iPhone 12 mini is fantastic. They have used a very good quality of aluminum casing. And the squared off edge design of iPhone 12 mini looks absolutely stunning. It definitely brings back memories of iPhone 5 series, which was surely loved by many. The iPhone 12 mini's design looks very refreshing and modern and gives you a very premium feeling. The cameras of the 12 mini are also fantastic. You see the same camera setup as found with its bigger sibling, the iPhone 12, and the camera capabilities of both the phone is pretty comparable. You can capture some amazing shots and record very stunning videos with the iPhone 12 mini, and the best thing is that you get the flagship quality cameras in such a compact device which you can carry with you anywhere and click amazing shots and record absolutely stunning videos. One point of concern for some people with iPhone 12 mini can be regarding its battery life, which by no means is bad but is okay. Due to its smaller size, they naturally cannot fit a bigger battery in the phone, and due to its smaller screen, it has less content to show compared to the other bigger devices. And with how well optimized the A14 Bionic chip is, you still get an average battery life with this phone. I would assume one would prefer a bigger screen device like an iPad or a MacBook to watch or play games. However, don't get me wrong here, you can easily play and enjoy your favorite games and TV shows on this phone without any problem. You can get anywhere around 4 to 5 hours of screen on time with this device, and it also supports wireless charging and fast charging. Now let's try to answer the question, should you buy it? Yes, I would highly recommend this phone if you are looking for a compact phone of this size and if budget is not an issue for you. It is a brilliant phone in terms of its build, design, cameras, and even the performance is top notch. The iOS is highly optimized and very easy to use. This phone is on a pricier side, but with third parties like Amazon, they have started to give discounts on this phone and you can look out for the discounts. Apart from the discount, this phone retails generally around 67,000 rupees, and in my honest opinion is value for money, as you get flagship quality and you don't have to compromise in terms of its screen, cameras, build quality, and the overall experience should be very good. That is all for this video. I hope you have liked today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and do let me know in the comments down below what are your opinion about the 12 mini. Please subscribe to my channel for more tech videos and follow me on my social media handles for latest tech updates. I will provide the link of the 12 mini in the description down below. You can check it out from there. I will meet you very soon with another tech video. Until then, take care and goodbye.